24.
So you pay for adjournment?
Yes.
They don't pay.
Unaingiza sasa hiyo unaniuliza nitaweka pesa wapi? Sababu kuna mtu atawapigia kutoka Nakuru. Uweka pesa kwa M-Pesa. Nikamwambia kwa M-Pesa usiweke pesa.
The right himself. He visited my office, my lord.
And to punish the plaintiff for what may turn out to be a genuine case of illness on the part of counsel. However, to ensure that the integrity of court proceedings is not breached, a summons will issue on Advocate Wachira Weganjo of Wachira Weganjo and Company Advocates to show cause why he did not appear today and to enable the fixing of an mutually convenient hearing date. I will allow adjournment.